Hey, what's up? Today I'm gonna be doing something different. We are gonna be solving one of my friend's problems. He has this BB gun that he lost the clip that keeps the door of the battery closed and open. So we're gonna be replacing that. He said he looked in the web and he couldn't find any replacements, so he came to me and he asked me if I could do it. We're gonna try it. This is gonna be my next project. Let's take measurements, sketch, and try and error. That's the best way to get it. So let's get to it. So we know. So now circle is